Not me cranking out another photo vlog. What's going on, everyone? Brian here, and welcome to my channel about eye-catching art and eye-catching things. Last October, my friends and I went for a short camping trip to Algonquin Provincial Park, and it was the first time I shot with my new Canon 28mm pancake lens. It got cold and rainy, but it was lots of fun, relaxing, and I got to take some sweet photos. Check it out. The weather was great when we arrived. Welcome to our camp, you guys, and check out how perfect it is. The ground was pretty soft with all the dried up pine needles, and look how close we are to the water. Let's go check out the lake and listen to the swaying sounds of the water and soft breeze. The sand is very fine and everything around camp is just so clean and serene. Here we are nicely settled under the canopy of minty smelling pines. Time to have a super late lunch before we scout around the area and take photos.
Oh, they're gonna visit the grand Marks. Yeah. Remember this sort of saying we should have went? Yeah. Would have been there for his birthday. Yeah, that's right. So they're gonna go there. I'm like,
Yeah, it was crazy. I was like,
in Winnipeg, mosquitoes are like the national bird.
come on,
They
are they actually crazy?
Because they pierce through like jeans and like.
No, they do not.
Yeah,
What?
that's how bad it is.
Oh no.
Water.
literally in the water.
The prairie water.
Oh, it's so big and strong.
That's crazy.
Not anymore.
Oh, did they say about the water?
Hey, my bad.
is the crew. Say hi, guys. Say hi to the crew.
Right, I'm actually just gonna do a voiceover. It's like my thing now.
It's actually one of my favorite YouTubers, Zachariah.
Eye-catching.
Eye-catching is here, guys. Oh, finally you're able to call out. And we're from Dude from Montreal. Yeah. Bonsoir.
Oh, look at them. Isn't this a proper oyster mushroom? Oh, not oyster. King oyster.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Right, they look like golden coins.
Yeah, it's cool.
Just a few minutes hike up and we've arrived. Welcome to Barren Canyon Hiking Trail, folks. The trail isn't particularly long at about 1.5 kilometer loop, and it takes about 35 minutes to complete, but it offers breathtaking views of cliffs overlooking the Barren River, and you really gotta stay for the views, so it took us about an hour and a half to complete. It is quite high, reaching 100 meters up at its highest. Yeah, that's quite the drop, but no worries, Bae got my back, like she really does have my back. A word of caution, please take great care and be hyper aware when doing something like this. There wouldn't be any bouncing back from a fall this high up, so take every precaution. This setup has been really fun to shoot with, and it's way lighter than what I'm used to. I love the wide angle and the small form factor, and in light rain like this, no problems at all. That's it folks, we're nearing the end of the video, but before we close it off, just wanted to express some year-end reflections since this is my last video for 2023. I'm not feeling the usual holiday cheer this year with everything that is going on in the world, and it just doesn't feel right to celebrate as great injustices and atrocities against humanity ravages on, namely in Palestine, Sudan, the Congo, and everywhere else in the world where people suffer, face death and extreme destruction, and go on without the most basic needs. But despite it all, I see many people who voice out and act in any way they could to try to stop these things from continuing. My New Year's resolution is to continue growing to be one of these people who stand up for justice and humanity. The struggle continues, y'all. See you in 2024.